So, as per usual, at the last minute, I decided to turn the camera on. I had already seasoned up and baked my chicken thighs.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just to show you how I'm starting off my day, I'm fixing some breakfast. I'm going to show you in another video what I'm doing with that in that pot. But back to my pan here. As you see, I just have a basic egg and I do have half of a spinach wrap. You guys know that I do half of a tortilla spinach low carb wrap. And this is what I'm using. As you see, the Extreme Wellness Spinach and Herb, and it is by Olay. I'm not partial to the brand, and as you can see, it has the amount of fiber and all the nutrients and things like that, and it tastes absolutely great and it works well, and it kind of fills me up, but not too overfilled. So as you can see, I just heat it up in the pan, and I also do turn it over and heat it on both sides. As you can see, it does have some leftover butter in the pan from the egg and the oils, the healthy oils, the olive oils on there. And I kind of just let it do its thing for a little bit. And I did cook 2 strips of bacon that you saw there in the oven. And now it's time to assemble everything. So look at that. That's almost a perfectly cooked egg, isn't it? And it just has like a half an ounce of cheese. And do you see that cheese pull there, guys? And so I just broke up the 2 slices of bacon and strategically put them on top of the egg, as you see there. And that does look good, nice crispy bacon. And simply fold it over. And voila, that is my breakfast, and it's going to fill me up for quite a few hours. Really simple, really easy.
So, this is a 2022 Tesla. Very nice vehicle. Nice sunroof. About how much is this vehicle? Like the sticker price?
Right now, around 60.
60. That's it, just 60,000. All right, not bad, not bad.
But the other
Yes.
one, the Model X.
Uh-huh.
So now, guys, on to a little self-care. So it was just time for me to get my pedicure, and it was time for me to get my nails redone. And of course, I didn't turn the camera on, but I turned the camera on kind of after she was almost done with it and massaging my legs and my feet. And this felt so good, guys.
The toenails are so cute.
They're little, right?
Yeah.
I know, thank you. I've heard that. So they was like, your toenails are so little.
So yeah, I've been told that my toenails are cute and they're so tiny. I made a mistake and told her to, you know, I like my toenails to be short. So I made the mistake in telling her to, file them short, which I don't mind. But then when it comes to my small toes, they're already little. So, she was having a little time polishing the tiny or the pinky toe, as they all say, the small toe. But yeah. So guys, I'm just putting on a regular polish to match the polish that I did choose. It's kind of like a bluish, purplish slash green type of toenail color, but it's coming off a little bit greenish when you look at it from a distance, but I love it. It's kind of iridescent and it's kind of cute. And so there's the finished product. I usually get some type of design on my toes, but I didn't this time. And so now on to the nail color. As you could see, I was trying to decide if I was going to get number 2 or number 1, or even number 6. But something about that blue You guys know I love blue. So I went with the second one, but I was staring at it for a while. And as you can see, this is the D&D brand, the Chameleon 5D Cat Eye Gel. And it's really pretty. As you can see, the top row is when they first put it on, and then the bottom row is how it comes out once they do put the magnet toward it. You're going to see that in a little bit. But yeah, I decided to go with color number 2 because that best matched my polish. And then you could see the procedure, just your basic procedure of getting the filling. And these are my nails, guys. These are not tips. I just put the acrylic powder directly over my nails.
What your YouTube? Let me subscribe.
Yeah.
Shout out to my nail tech, Sam K, for subscribing to my channel. And how I started it is just once my nails grew to a certain length, that's when I went to the salon and put the actual powder on. And here you can see that they're actually putting, or I should say he is actually putting the polish on. And he decided to put the black colored polish on first to give it a deeper appearance once he puts the other polish on. And so now you see him putting the actual cat eye gel polish on, and as you can see, because he did put the black on, once he puts the color on, it gives it this deep rich color versus the lighter color. So then that would prevent him from having to put several coats on. And now as you can see the black polish, and then you could see him putting the cat eye polish directly on top of the black polish, and how deep and how pretty that color actually does come out. Look how pretty that is. And so now you're about to see how they get that cat eye effect. You see that little instrument? It's kind of like he's taking it's a magnet, and you can feel a little pull where the actual polish moves. I can't really see it. The camera didn't pick it up really good, but the magnet draws the polish. It must be little pieces of metal in it. And it kind of, you can see it there a little bit where it draws the polish toward it, and then it forms that little line that resembles a cat's eye. Now that he's doing the other hand, let's see if we can pick it up, if the camera picks it up really good this time. So he did it, and then he says, I guess he said he didn't like the way it came out, so he put some more polish in. As you can see, he puts the magnet like close to the nail. And can you guys see that? Look at that, how it moves the polish a little closer toward the magnet. You see that little streak of light? And that one was really quick. Let's see, you could see that one really good. See how that does? And then it resembles the cat's eye. So that one picked it up. And there you have the finished product, guys. Isn't that just beautiful? I don't know about you, but I'm in love with it. All right, so that wraps up my self-care. And now it's time to get back home so I can cook dinner, guys. Wait till you see what I cook.
I decided to turn the camera on. I have already baked my chicken thighs in the oven, and I had pre-seasoned them up. And what I did was I took some fresh broccoli, fresh carrots, red onions, green pepper, zucchini, squash, and tomatoes, some fresh garlic, some fresh thyme, and some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and a little bit of olive oil and some Italian seasoning. Mixed it all together and spread the vegetables. As you can see how beautiful and colorful they are. Spread them around the chicken thighs, and I'm going to put them back in the oven for about 25 minutes, and then it's going to be time to eat. So in the oven it goes, a 425-degree oven that's preheated. All right, let's see what we're working with. Yes, roasted just the way I like it. I left it in a little bit more than the 20 minutes because I wanted them to be really roasted. And here's what it looks like. My vegetables are roasted just like I like them. I like them really roasted with a little bit of charring or caramelization, as you could see. Smells great, as you can imagine. As you can see, the chicken is roasted even more to perfection. And I love it. I love it when my vegetables are like this. I don't know about you guys, but I love it like this. It's sort of like people that eat Franks. They say, give me the burnt one. It's just something about that caramelization that just gets you, right? It's time to plate some of this up and eat it. Easy, healthy, and really like a one-pan meal again. You got to try this. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Take care and be well. Bye-bye.